Hi friends, it's Miss Susan. I hope you're having a really good day. I wanted to pop in to chat about pod vegetables. Do you know what a pod vegetable is? That's right, peas are pod vegetables. Have you ever eaten a pea? Peas are the seed part of the plant, and they're excellent sources of vitamin C, which is our defense shield, vitamin A, like our eye goggles, and fiber. We can eat them raw or cooked. You can also find peas that are frozen in cans or fresh. Do you think that we can grow peas in Maine? Yes, peas are cool weather vegetables, and they're very easy to grow in Maine. They grow on these long, curly vines that require poles or fences to support them. Pod vegetables, just like our peas, come from the legume family, which consists of plants that produce pods with seeds inside. Other legumes are things like lentils, chickpeas, beans, and peanuts. There are two types of peas. Those with inedible pods, which means we don't eat the pod that they come in. We only eat the round peas in the middle, such as these, which are green peas, sweet peas, or garden peas. There are also peas with edible pods, such as these. These are sugar snap peas. We can also eat the pod of snow peas. Remember, the pod is like a shell. Sugar snap peas have an edible, crunchy pod with sweeter peas inside. Hi friends, so before we get our bodies moving, I want to do a quick review about this. Do you remember what this is called? That's right, it's called MyPlate. And MyPlate has our 5 food groups. So we've got our fruits, our vegetables, our protein, grains, and dairy. Do you remember what a fruit is? Fruits are things like apples, bananas, and grapes. What are vegetables? Vegetables are things like peppers, carrots, and broccoli. What's a protein? Protein are things like eggs, chicken, steak, peanut butter, nuts, seeds. Those are all healthy, good protein choices. What's a grain? Grains are things like pasta, bread, rice, oatmeal. Good job. What's a dairy food? That's right. Dairy are foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Perfect. Friends, now that you're all experts on MyPlate, let's begin our activity. So I'm going to hold up different pictures of foods. If you know which MyPlate food group that food belongs to, I want you to shout it out to your screen. If I hold up a picture and that food belongs in the dairy food group, we're going to do 5 crunches. If I hold up a grain food, we're going to do 5 jumping jacks. If it's a fruit, we'll do 6 lunges. And if I hold up a vegetable, we're going to hold the plank for 5 seconds. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with a practice round. Where do strawberries go? Which MyPlate food group would strawberries go into? That's right, they go into a fruit. So that means we need to do 6 lunges.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What food group does an egg belong to? That's right, an egg is a protein. So that means we have to do 5 crunches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What MyPlate food group does yogurt belong to? That's right, yogurt is a dairy. Remember, dairy is milk and anything made of milk. Is yogurt made of milk? Yes. Okay, so that means we have to do 5 squats.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where does oatmeal go? That's right, oatmeal is a grain food. So we have to do 5 jumping jacks.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Which MyPlate food group do green beans go into? That's right, green beans are a vegetable. So we have to hold a plank for 5 seconds. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Awesome job. Think breakfast. What food group does a pancake go into? This is the same food group that our waffles and our bread also belong to. That's right, it's a grain. So you have to do 5 jumping jacks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now we have peanut butter. Peanut butter is made out of peanuts, just like at the top. What food group does peanut butter go into? Good job. It goes into our protein with the rest of our nuts and seeds. So we have to do 5 crunches. Next, where does pasta go? That's right. That's another grain. Looks like we have 5 more jumping jacks. Now we have grapes. What food group do grapes go into? That's right, grapes are a fruit. So we're gonna do 6 lunges. Ooh. What's this? This is asparagus. What food group would asparagus go into? That's right, asparagus is a vegetable. So we're gonna hold the plank for 5 seconds for breakfast most mornings. What is this? This is orange juice. What food group does orange juice go into? That's right, orange juice is made out of oranges. So that means it's a fruit. So we're gonna do 6 more lunges. All right, we have cottage cheese. What food group does cottage cheese go into? That's right, it's cottage cheese, right? Is cheese made out of milk? It is. So that means it's a dairy. So we're gonna do 5 squats. What about goldfish? Which food group does goldfish go into? That's right, goldfish is a grain. So go ahead and do 5 jumping jacks. Which My Plate food group do sunflower seeds belong to? That's right, sunflower seeds are a protein. They're one of our plant proteins. So go ahead and do 5 crunches. You guys are doing really well. Now we're gonna get a little bit trickier. Here I have vegetable fried rice. Which food groups would this belong to? Look really closely. What do you see in here? That's right. You have vegetables, which go into our vegetable food group. I also see rice. Where does rice belong? Rice is a grain. So, because it has vegetables and rice, we're going to do 5 jumping jacks and a 5-second plank.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we've got a 5-second plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
A bagel with cream cheese. What 2 food groups does a bagel and cream cheese belong to? That's right, the bagel belongs in the grain food group, and the cream cheese belongs in the dairy food group. So we have a grain and a dairy. So we're gonna do 5 jumping jacks and then 5 squats.
2, 3, 4, 5. Ready for a squat? 1, 2,